Ayo, it's a boy na Kimalanga. Okay, guys, I'm back with another banger video. Okay, guys, today we have a Q&A content. So I have 3 questions for me, and I will question myself and answer myself. Yeah, that's how it goes. So I have 3 questions here. We're talking about the hip hop. Yeah, the hip hop. Okay. My first question is, give me top 5 hip hop artists. My top 5 hip hop artists. So okay. Top 5 hip hop artists. I don't care who's still alive or not. We're top 5, yeah. So yeah. Okay. That's from number 5. Number 5, I will go with S.A. We're talking about S.A, not worldwide. S.A. South African hip hop culture. You know what it is. Okay. Number 5, I will give it to number 5, I'll give it to okay. This one is tough, eh? There's so many people. Okay, I'll give it to the late Kenan Forbes, aka. I'll give it to aka. It's my number 5. Reason why aka has been in the game for so long, so very consistency. Bay GOAT, the greatest of all times. Yeah, and the last album yakhe, I think make a C by enjoy a band. So I was not that big fan yakhe, but ukhona with top 5 best hip hop artist, and sakhuluma favoritism is like best. My GOAT is okay. Number 4, number 4, best. Number 4, okay. This one, number 4. I look for number 2 in this place. Number 4, I gotta give it to Aries and Nasty C. Ngifuna ukubahlukanisa. Ngifuna babeke iposition eyodwa about 2. Aries and Nasty C. Number 4. Then number 3, let's give it to the OG Cass Panyoves. Let's give it to the OG Cass Panyoves. All else consistency. Yeah, it's been in the game for so long. Maybe 2 decades or 1 decade, I don't know. So, but it's been in the game for so long. Man. Okay, number 2, I gotta give it to Mthembeni Ndevu. You already know is that MT the Hustler. Yes sir. Yeah, and that number 1, we already know who's the one. The Makado. Rick. Yeah, that's my top 5. Number 5 is Kenan 4 it's Nasty C and Aries. Number 3, I gotta give it to Cass, and number 2, Timene Peltusi Manado. Come on, my mene, come on. And I mentioned my hit song, the verse maninga cool, Macado, Silukotin, Bozonge. Come on, so I can count so on and so my coins, you know the story. So yeah, that's my top 5 best so far. Angisho ukuthi laba abanye babhethe they are best in their ways, but for me, that's my top 5. Then second question, it's 2023 best hip hop song. This is Pomaga 2023 hip hop song. This one is tough because my piano, I say Shinjaga game. So it's tough this one, but let me give it a top 5 because ziko ningi ngoma engazi ukuthi the Jamie where streets love it, the story. So S.A Hip Hop, okay, for me was maybe mhlambe kusazoba khona because Nest is gonna drop an album, Cass is gonna drop an album, MC is gonna drop an album, so and Aries is gonna drop an album, so maybe summertime azoba khona hit song, but so far not that deep. But I'm gonna give you a top 3. My top 3 is number 3. I'm gonna give you the Majesty's one, the song that the Chinchile featuring MT and Roy. I love that song so much. I love that song. Yeah. And then number 2, it's getting tougher. Star Soft. Is it Star Soft or Stay Soft? Something like that. DJ Slicker featuring MT, Flo Jones, and 25K. Or Decola featuring McLaren. That's what those are number 2. My number 2s. Then number 1, I'm gonna give it to AKA featuring MT, Drone. Yes, Drone. Yes, Drone. Yeah, something like that. Yes. Yeah, that's my best. That's my best 2023 hip hop or S.A Hip Hop songs. Top 3 and top 5 because there are not so many songs are popular. Then my last question says the best cotton eater in hip hop culture. So manje asathi abantu abacula hip hop, no, hip hop culture siyabazi abantu uba hip hop culture abantu abaqwana. So the best cotton eaters, okay, number 5, shit. Okay, number 5, I'm gonna give it to to I'm gonna give it to Danya Deva, number 5. Sometimes uyangiphoxa, sometimes ashaya ngethi cha ayishayile ishayile insizwa. So number 5, I'm gonna give it to Danya Deva, cutting it. Yeah. Then number 4, no, number 4, I'm gonna give it to Okay Malum Cricket. Yes, we know, guys, it's Bovington. We know this Bovington gangs. What in a shower about? What in his daughter is a shower. So that is my number 4. Yeah. Then top 3. It's tough. But I'm gonna give it number 3. I'm gonna give it to Tseho Koke. This guy has a fashion sense. If you know Tseho Koke, check it out. Benifuna uqosha some drip, then check it out. Tseho Koke. Think number 2 is gonna be Mac G, the designer or fashion designer. Not to my guy, but good podcast and chill. Mac G. Then number 1, Silukotin. Kavalis number boy. Last number boy. So that's my top 5, guys. Yeah, that's my top 5, guys. I hope you like this video, and please like the video, comment in the comment section, give me your top 5, subscribe if you are subscribed. More content coming. Thank you very much. I'm out.